So the attitude and the mentality in the rag mark is because I'm attached to Krishna in a loving, intimate mood. What does the Raganuga Bhakti think? He thinks, I am equal to Krishna or I'm better than Krishna. Okay? So this is an attitude, a mentality. And he's doing puja, everything. You see two are side by side. One is Vaidhi, one is... And the Raganuga Bhakti is, if you say that to the Raganuga Bhakti, God is nothing. God depends on me. He has to carry me on his shoulder. Oh, you're Aparati. Because the Vaidhi sadhaka thinks, who God is, Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. Aishvaryasya samagrasya viryasya yasachashriya. There are 6 opulences. He's a supreme controller. He's a supreme enjoyer. He's a bhaktaram, yagat tapasam. This is Vaidhi sadhana. And then God is great. It's all true. It's all very true for the Vaidhi sadhaka. God is great. And I'm just little tiny consciousness. I'm anuchit and he's vivuchit. Nityo nityanam chaitanas chaitananam eko bahunam yovadadati kaman. I'm just little consciousness. I'm eternal. He's eternal. And eko bahunam yovadadati kaman. He's that eka that's fulfilling all my desires. And then what do we say? Then we say ekale Ishvara Krishna. Ekale Ishvara Krishna. Arasabhya Britya means there's one supreme controller. Ek Ishvara, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. And Sabhya Britya. Britya means servant. This is the attitude of Vaidhi sadhana. You know what I think about God? I think God, sometimes I beat up God and he has to carry me on his shoulders. You're Aparati. I'm telling Gurudev that you're speaking like this. You can't speak like this. He's the supreme personality of God. You're going to get a severe reaction. Because, Vaidhi means rule and regulation. Rag means love.